Electronics Geo. Solar energy has become much cheaper over the years due to a combination of factors. The cost of solar panels themselves has decreased as a result of advances in technology and economies of scale. As the demand for solar energy has grown, manufacturers have been able to produce solar panels at a lower cost due to increased efficiency in their production processes. The cost of installation has also decreased as a result of advances in technology and increased competition in the industry. Government incentives and policies have also played a role in making solar energy more affordable. Many countries and states offer financial incentives and subsidies for the installation of solar panels, making them more accessible to homeowners and businesses. Finally, the price of solar energy has dropped due to the increase in the amount of investment, research and development in the solar industry. The continuous improvement in the efficiency of solar panel and the reduction of production cost has led to the decrease in the price of solar energy. All of these factors have contributed to making solar energy more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people. As a result, solar energy is now one of the most cost-effective and widely used forms of renewable energy.